We haven't been able to use our garbage disposaler in about a couple of months now. So let's see, we have a Moen and we've already cleaned up our space of work here, so let's see what we're gonna do. Hi everyone, we're on a mission today to fix our garbage disposal. And Rob, what do you have here?
Broom.
Rob's got a broom right here. We're gonna try it as we've learned it from other YouTubers, so wish us good luck. Let me take a video of where we're gonna find the reset button here for the Moen brand right there. That's the red thing, and that's the reset button. So our Moen garbage disposaler is now turned off. We unplugged it, and we don't need an Allen wrench from the way it looks in that red button, so we're gonna try something else. Just resetted it by pressing the red button, and then we plugged it, and then we're gonna go ahead and turn it on and see what happens. So you hear that? There's a humming noise, so that's the problem. So that tells us that there's something in there like a jam, so we have to reset it, which we've already done, and then we're gonna do something else. Guys, this is not as easy as they showed it on YouTube. This is hard. We change it from this broom that we used to this one here. It's a plastic we used before. It used to have a sponge here, and that seems to work because it moved a little bit. So let's see Rob try to do it again. Is it moving?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's moving. Oh wow, nice. I think you have to move it more clockwise. Yay! More. It's moving, guys. Yay!
That's hard.
And then now you're gonna try to do it counterclockwise. Oh my God! Thank you, Lord. Let's see if it's gonna work, but we have to, I think. Yeah.
Can't see the...
Yeah, so we gotta move it counterclockwise now, because we move it clockwise. Now counter. This is not easy, guys. So it keeps moving clockwise. Now we gotta try to move it back. There you go, counterclockwise, and we gotta do it couple more times to see if it's gonna work. Wow, we tried different things. We tried a screwdriver right here, all the screwdrivers. We even tried a badminton rack, and it doesn't work. So, but we're just hoping that we didn't do more damage here. So we'll see if it's gonna work now. At least it moved. Is it moving counter?
Yeah.
Okay.
It's just harder for me to move it.
Yeah.
Going counterclockwise.
Let's see if it's easily moving now. Clockwise. Wow, that's easy now. Counterclockwise. That's nice. So it's easily moving now. So let's see if it's gonna work. Let's find out. It works.
Nope.
It still doesn't work. Oh, it didn't work the first time we plugged it in and turned the garbage disposaler on. It was still the humming noise, but what we did was we turned it off again, unplugged it, and resetted it and plugged it back again. So let's see if that works. It worked the first time. We resetted it and it worked, but we didn't cover it, and everything, the water shot up. So we put the filter right here. And let's see, turn it on. Oh shoot, oh my God. That's a lot of water coming out. But the water still doesn't seem to be coming down. Oh, wow. Oh no. Water is coming down slowly. So this thing works, but the water is coming down slowly. The garbage disposal is not working. Now working, but the water, so we know that there's something stuck in the plumbing, I guess. So Rob is now gonna try a little trick to see if it will work by using a plunger. and hopefully it does work, because we were told not to use Drano. The YouTube presentation says do not use Drano on your garbage disposal. So this will be our last resort, and if this still doesn't work, then we're gonna have to snake it. Look at that, the water is now coming down really good. The plunger worked. The garbage disposal is working. Let's turn it on. And it's no longer clogged up. So that's what we did. Our little DIY is working, and we've got a nice kitchen sink now that we say is working. So very nice. Thanks to all the YouTubers there who shared their experience with this. We learned so much, and hope this helps out those people who are having the same kind of problem. Hope you can resolve it by doing a DIY like this as well. Thanks for watching, everyone.